Be to God, no family, God bless and the Lord keep you.
True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're just stopping by, you can kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So today I'll be giving out some care packages. So I want to big up the team, Miss Bev Production, Maurice Kingpin, myself, Fire Reid. So you all can go over to the channel and subscribe. And then the donors, yeah man, can't live for the donors them, you know. So big up on the person who wants to stay private and big up on yourself, one love and one heart. And the donors them now, you have John Campbell from UK, Ivan, New York, Lincoln, New York, Lottie Amore, Connect, Rosalie, Florida, Vivian, Jamaica, Queens, Marvin and Mom, King Nick and Queen V, Simone, bless up on yourself and True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. If it wasn't for you all, it wouldn't be possible today, so may God keep on blessing you all. One love, one heart. They're on the farm this morning, and from last time I really couldn't sleep like that because you know, Jamaica in a lockdown right now, and persons out there, a lot of persons out there need some assistance in the lockdown. Elderly person who cannot go to the supermarket and stuff. I'm up on the farm this morning, so I have to break that, come off of the farm and see if I can reach out to some person and give them some care package. Because in this time of lockdown, it's not very easy. In this time of the pandemic, it's not very easy. So I'm going to reach out to some persons today and make sure that I'm alright. Just like how I'm feeling alright, I want someone out there to feel the same way too. So I'm going to break off of the farm right now because I can't live with this. I feel that somebody out there in need. I'm up on the farm same way. I'm just going to break off of the farm and go out there and go deliver some care package. I know the country kind of locked down same way, but I run a chance with people. I'll give out some care package because elderly person out there can't go supermarket. Blessings with people, as me can't tell you now. Blessings again with people, as me tell you some reach at the location and now, so I give out the care package. But this is where the person lives, so give him some blessings in the morning. Yeah. Go check it, I want some package.
Yeah, come to God.
Some package one here. So yes, some people as in the can see spot me there now. So she wants to say thanks, you know. So just tell them thanks to me here.
Yeah.
Just say thanks to them. Just say thanks.
Thanks be to God, no family, God bless and the Lord keep you.
Yeah man, so I see you can have some crackers and stuff in it, so you can just enjoy yourself here.
God bless you.
And I will see you again very soon, alright?
Yeah, God bless.
Alright, one love and one heart, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so you can take up your bag.
Yeah, we take up.
Alright, blessings, alright.
The Lord keep you and the Lord keep you.
Alright, manners here?
Yeah.
Alright.